Manipur ki District Administration Singda 16th Suba National Voters Day Pak Sanna Pangthokknarkhre Pangthokknakhiba Thauramgi Sarukama Oina Chief Electoral Officer Manipur na Sinduna Lamphel Pata Leiba CEO Manipur ki Office tasu My India My Vote haiba thim gi makhada Citizen at the Heart of Indian Democracy haiba tagline da Thauram Pangthokki Thauramatuda Vivek Kumar Dewagan Additional Chief Secretary Rajav Singh Director General of Police na Thauram Mapu Singh oina saruyaki Thauram adugi sarukama oina su u Char Singh su thaki
Good morning, everyone. This is celebration of 16th Voters Day. Voters Day is all about strengthening and deepening of democracy, strengthening and empowering the voters. It is not only dissemination, in fact, it is something like imbibing values of democracy in the voters and creating the norms of equitable right. What we are looking forward is one person, one vote system should be established in a way that no one is left behind. Every voter gets registered and come out to vote for the nation, for the building of the nation. This year's Voters Day message or like theme is My India, My Vote, Main Bharat Hoon. So it is to be imbibed in each and every voter of India so that we can strengthen and help here or work towards deepening of democracy. That's the motto. Thank you.
This day reminds us that all the young voters who are turning 18 years of age, they should get registered as an elector. The National Voter Day is to create awareness about registration of young voters, and the Office of Chief Electoral Officer has been carrying out a special campaign in the higher secondary schools and the colleges where the young voters are turning 18 and they are making all-out efforts that 100% registration of young voters should take place so that they can participate in the forthcoming assembly elections which is coming in the state. Chief Electoral Officer is not mandated for that election. They are mandated to conduct election for the assembly and parliament elections. For that there is a different